If you're a real estate agent and you don't have a structured system for winning listings, preparing sellers, and managing transactions from start to finish, you're leaving deals on the table. Today I'm walking you through the Home Selling Success System, a complete, ready-to-use toolkit that covers everything from your listing appointment to post-close referrals. This isn't a generic slide deck with pretty fonts and no substance. This is a 40-page system built from the best tactics used by top-producing agents. Welcome. I'm David, and I'll be your guide through this comprehensive system. We've built this package including strategies from guaranteed sale programs, referral-based business systems, and data-backed pricing frameworks to help you position yourself as the professional every seller wants to hire. In this lesson, we're going to break down the 7 core sections that make up this system and show you exactly how to implement them in your business. Let's show you exactly what's inside. The system is organized into 7 sections. Each one is designed to work together or as a standalone tool. Section 1 is your agent walkthrough, your internal playbook. Section 2 is the seller-facing listing presentation. Section 3 is the seller home prep guide. Section 4 is the property marketing plan. Section 5 is scripts and communication templates. Section 6 is transaction management. And Section 7 is the bonus toolbox. Here's the full process map. 8 steps from pre-listing preparation all the way through close and referral. Every step has a corresponding template in the system. Step 1 is pre-listing preparation, market analysis, pricing strategy, prep checklist, and staging plan. Step 2 is the listing appointment. Present your system, set expectations, and sign the agreement. Step 3 is home prep and staging, repairs, deep cleaning, decluttering, curb appeal, and professional photography. Step 4 is launch and marketing, MLS, social media, open houses, digital ads, and broker outreach. Every step has a corresponding template in the system. Now let's walk you through the listing presentation, the hero of the package. The listing presentation opens with a personalized cover slide, your name, your brokerage, your photo, and the seller's property address. First impressions matter, and this cover sets the tone. The next slide is Why Work With Us? This is where you establish credibility. It has 4 stat boxes at the top: homes sold, average days on market, list to sale price ratio, and 5-star reviews. Below that are 5 value propositions that explain what sets you apart. Replace these placeholders with your real numbers and your strongest client quote. Next is How We Market Your Home. This walks through 6 specific marketing channels: professional photography, MLS syndication, social media, open houses, agent networking, and digital advertising. Every channel has a specific explanation so the seller sees exactly what they're paying for. Then the pricing strategy slide, one of the most important pages. It shows 3 pricing zones with color-coded labels: strategic pricing in green for best, market value in gold for fair, and aspirational pricing in red for risk. The home selling timeline shows week by week what happens from listing through closing. Sellers love this slide because it removes uncertainty and shows them you have a structured plan. Finally, the commitments page gives the seller 5 written performance guarantees: communication, marketing, pricing transparency, performance review, and skilled negotiation. These guarantees remove risk for the seller and position you as the confident, accountable professional they want to hire. Now let's look at the seller home prep guide in Section 3. This starts with 27 quick fix-ups organized into 3 columns: interior, exterior, and staging details. Most of these take less than a weekend and cost very little, but the impact on buyer perception is massive. Buyers mentally deduct 2 to 3 times the actual repair cost when they see issues, so fixing them up front pays for itself. According to the NAR, staged homes sell up to 73% faster and for 5 to 10% more. And one of my favorite pages is What to Expect During Showings. It has a clear do and don't column. The golden rule here: the best thing a seller can do during a showing is not be there. Buyers cannot picture themselves in your home while you're watching. At the bottom, there's a 10-minute showing prep routine they can follow. Make beds, wipe counters, quick bathroom check, open blinds, take out trash, and leave. It's all about making the process easier for the buyers to see the home. Section 4 is the property marketing plan, including the first 7 days marketing blitz. Day 1 is your launch, Day 2 is your digital push, and Day 3 is content posting. Days 4 through 7 focus on direct outreach and open houses. Section 5 covers scripts and communication templates. These are fully written scripts for key moments like building rapport, discovering goals, and closing for the business. We also include specific scripts for handling common pricing and commission objections. The pricing objection scripts handle pushbacks like "our neighbor sold for more" or "another agent said higher" with data-driven responses. The referral request scripts are built on the Brian Buffini system, providing 4 touchpoints from closing day through annual check-ins. Remember, referrals are the highest quality, lowest cost source of new business. This system makes sure you never forget to ask and that you stay top of mind for your clients for years to come. Section 6 is transaction management. The offer comparison worksheet lets you compare up to 3 offers side by side across 11 terms. Not just price, but financing, contingencies, and buyer strength. The best offer is not always the highest price, it's the one most likely to close. We also include a post-close follow-up system with 7 touch points over a year. One happy client can generate 5 to 10 referrals over a decade. The follow-up costs almost nothing, but the return is everything. Finally, Section 7 is the bonus toolbox with a CMA template, a seller proceeds estimator, and a home value report template for lead generation. To recap, this 40-page system covers every stage of the listing process. It gives you the listing presentation, seller prep guide, marketing plan, scripts, transaction tools, and bonus templates you need to win. Customize it with your branding and your market data, and you'll have a complete system that positions you as the professional. This lesson is just the start of creating a structured, professional business. In our next lesson, we'll dive deeper into specific negotiation tactics using these templates. The system is fully editable in Canva, Google Slides, and PowerPoint. The link to download is in the description below. Get it, customize it, and start winning more listings today. I'm David, and I look forward to seeing your success in the next session.